Ever pondered over the term adverse possession? It's a concept that frequently surfaces in the realm of real estate, yet many are unfamiliar with its intricate workings. Today we're going to delve deep into the world of adverse possession, shedding light on its elements, the court process, and its overall success rate. Adverse possession in its simplest form is a principle of real estate law whereby someone who possesses someone else's land for an extended period may be able to claim legal title to that land. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Now, for adverse possession to be applicable, several specific elements must be met. The possession must be hostile, actual, open and notorious, exclusive and continuous. First, the possession must be hostile, meaning it is without the permission of the owner. But remember, hostile doesn't necessarily imply any ill will or force. It simply means there is no valid legal title underpinning the possession. Second, the possession must be actual. The possessor must physically occupy the land, treating it as their own. Third, the possession must be open and notorious. The possessor must not hide their possession. In fact, it must be so apparent that it is likely to be noticed by the owner if they were to inspect the property. Fourth, the possession must be exclusive. The possessor must control the property to the exclusion of the true owner. Lastly, the possession must be continuous for a certain period as defined by law. This period can range from 5 to 20 years, varying from one jurisdiction to another. These elements form the backbone of an adverse possession claim. However, just meeting these elements doesn't automatically grant the title to the possessor. There's a legal process to navigate. The possessor must file a lawsuit in the local court to formalize the claim. They must provide evidence supporting each element of adverse possession. This could include witness testimonies, photographs, or other documents. The burden of proof lies with the possessor, and the court evaluates the evidence thoroughly. The owner of the property is given an opportunity to contest the claim, and if they can prove any element of adverse possession is lacking, the claim may be dismissed. The success rate of adverse possession claims is not particularly high. It's a complex and lengthy process, often taking years to reach a resolution. The courts scrutinize such claims rigorously to avoid any miscarriages of justice. Unraveling the concept of adverse possession, we see it's a blend of time, possession, and legal principles. It's a vivid illustration of the phrase, "Possession is 9/10 of the law." As we wrap up, remember that adverse possession requires hostile, actual, open and notorious, exclusive and continuous possession. It's a legal process involving court proceedings and a significant burden of proof. The success rate is not high, and the process can take years. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Do consider subscribing to this channel for more intriguing insights into the world of real estate. And if there's a topic you're burning to learn more about, drop it in the comments below. Your curiosity shapes our content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.